Hello guys, ako nga pala si Emil. Welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Kung bago kayo sa channel ko, huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-subscribe. Tutorial natin ngayon na itong tungkol sa paggawa ng customized thumbnail sa ating mga uploaded na videos sa YouTube. Tuturuan ko rin po kayo kung paano mag-verify ng inyong bagong gawang YouTube channel para ma-access nyo yung features ng inyong YouTube channel. So yun guys.
So guys, first we need to open our Chrome browser in our cell phone and go to youtube.com, and then go to our Creator Studio. And then go to channel and status and pictures. There you can see that the custom thumbnail is not enabled. So what we have to do is to verify first our account so that the custom thumbnail features will be enabled. So just scroll up and go to your channel name and verify. Put your mobile number. After you input your mobile number, just enter or submit. Then Google will send a message, your 6-digit verification code. Just input it, input the code, and then click submit, continue. Yes, there you go. Your account, your new channel is verified. Now the pictures of your channel is unlocked. The custom thumbnail is unlocked. Now let's switch to my channel that has a video uploaded so that we can test it. This is my channel. Go to video manager, edit, then click custom thumbnail, then browse your thumbnail that you want to put in your video. Wait for it to upload. When it's done, just click save changes. Now let's check it in our Creator Studio. There, the thumbnail is updated. So guys, that's the full process to put customized thumbnail in your uploaded videos. I hope it helps. I hope it helps you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also click the like button and the notification button. Thank you. Bye bye.